Oh yeah, now we gotta rely on this one. We get dropped off at the auction, now we relying on this one to make it big. It's gotta make it. Better check all these fluids, picking up this Pontiac G6 2007. Yeah, there's one out here. If you know where it was at, I always got some oil. Hopefully they already put it over here in the soul lane so we ain't gotta go too far. Jenna probably here at the auction. Huh? Jenna probably here at the auction. Ain't that his wife? What? I think that's Jenna's wife, ain't it? Jenna probably here at the auction. Probably picking up a lemon.
I know exactly where it is. I know exactly.
You know exactly where it is?
Sure.
I don't even know exactly where it is.
Was it one of those that was kind of iffies?
Nah, it wasn't there.
Oh,
Nah, it's right there.
What did you buy?
The silver Pontiac. I don't know which one.
G6 right there, the Apple 191.
I think it's 170. I don't think I bought I didn't buy the nicer one.
181.
They
They're
gave.
about the same, you know.
Nah, they gave me the one.
210.
They gave me the one with the little rust on there. It's got a little bit. That ain't nothing. Got some oil. Got cooling.
Alrighty.
Yeah, get cooling and start up and see what it do.
I don't think it's got no juice. It's got juice with no horn. Well, we can get that fixed though. We can take that to Wilson. Wilson can fix that.
There a little bit of rust up in northeast, wasn't it?
Yeah, probably. It can be fixed though. It ain't too bad. At least it's just down there that I only see. Got some good.
That's pretty thin. That's pretty thin.
Oh man, it destroyed my car. Yeah. Oh man. Yeah, we can get it. Fill it in.
Yeah.
It's all right. We'll replace it.
I didn't put my foot on it, smash it out.
Hey, you got to
Hey man, quit. He messing up. He messing up.
He tore it up.
He turned up perfection, ain't he? Yeah, look, we ain't even got no check engine lights on. Yeah, we got some gas and we ain't got no check engine lights. Yeah, we good to go.
I appreciate it.
And you was.
No, we ain't even got any gear he talking about is good.
It's good, man.
Walk on and see the bump and we done. Man, that was rusted out. I really don't think that.
He destroyed my car. He destroyed my car, man. Disrespecting. And they just got the oil change. No, they didn't.
So, because I wasn't even his wife, was it?
No, it wasn't Jenna's wife. I don't know who that was. That was
Man, you
somebody.
couldn't even see. You got your glasses on.
I mean, she kind of looked.
You know you're going to kick your butt.
They sent the gate pass to the guard shack, boss. Make sure, you gotta make sure the radio work, people.
That radio, you won't even be worried about the one.
Nah, we're gonna get that fixed. We gotta maximize profit. We gotta get about 2,800
I
out
want to
of
put
it.
no air on it. It's too much of a load.
I can sell these Hendelecks. Nah, I rely on the rod every now and again. I don't need a car. I take the cash over the car. Now we just gotta make sure we got transmission. We got one gear.
You bought it cheap.
Yeah. Got a crack in the windshield, but we ain't worried about that. As long as the order don't come back with that BS. Oh yeah, we couldn't get a title bill of sale only. Yeah, y'all get 200. If y'all come back with that type of stuff again. Oh yeah, why not? Got AC. 2007. People like these Pontiacs. I'm gonna take a picture and send it to Wilson. See what he say. Cause he fixed that Pontiac. Yeah, that was with paint defender though. It wasn't that much to fix the rust. All you gonna do is probably like slap some stuff in there. Probably hit a little Bondo, sand it down, and then just hit it with some silver paint. So I can get up to speed, so I can see what I'm working with. And once the seat's so low, I lift it up. Lift the seat up, and then the seat all the way up. Right, there you go. It's all the way on the ground. Buy 2850. 2850 just for you today. And you already get to feel the ride reliability. He sold himself.
I had that ride.
Sold himself. Yeah. It's too much work for me. It's just like your Avalanche. A little rusty. You got to wait. Just speed, bro. We gotta get it up this way. Sick. Oh yeah, you felt the same way. Don't know where to get at this. They was loud. We got cold AC too. Interior ain't too bad. Ain't too bad. We got this another good one. Shifting good, running good. AC, heat. If it had a sunroof, would have been even better. But see y'all when we get to the lot. Oh, they got a Kia turbo. Like my father say, he said it runs. Only bad is that rust. But overheaded and put new tires on there. Runs and drives and shifts smooth. It's got a little right there. Like I said, good tires all the way around. Gotta get that fixed, but we'll get that fixed, and I'll show y'all how it looks after that's fixed. And then, it's just mainly right here on the rocker. Like all this just rusted, but we can get that fixed though. We can get that fixed. Runs and drives good. Yeah, we'll go. I'll get the little fog lights. I have my body man fix that up better so that it just ain't hanging with tape in there. But like I said, it runs and drives. There ain't no shaking, it ain't no alignment issues. So they overheaded. Guess when they had the tires put on, they put the alignment in there. It fires right up. It ain't got no check engine lights on there. You know, after I fix the rust and everything, I think I can get 2,800 out of it. I think I get about 25 to 2,800. You know, like I said, heating, AC and everything. Only thing about it, man, price of cars are so up right now, so it's hard to come across them. So, you know, so the prices, so you have to, it's hard to come across them, so you have to raise the prices up. You know, everybody's doing, you know, buy here, pay here, and all that. And but you know, we still working in progress. We still figuring out everything. We still living and learning, man. You know, still living and learning. Next thing I'm trying to let my money and stuff get back working. You know, that business is a lot. You know, was a lot to get started and figuring out everything. Let me make sure the key works to the door. Yeah, so that was a lot of work, a lot of money invested into that truck, but it's going good now. Now I can now that's going. Now I can I'm trying to look into some real estate also. looking to getting another semi. So if y'all see any semis in your area, man, that's around a decent price, man, I ain't got money like that, but I can make it. I can come up with something. I can't be giving out all that money or something. So I appreciate y'all for tuning in. If y'all haven't already, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comment section below after the rust gets fixed on the side, on the little rocker right there. Let me know how much you'll sell it for. I'm thinking posting it for 32, give myself a good amount of wiggle room to work with, take anywhere from 25, 28, give me something, but the profit is going to be over $1,500 worth of profit on that car. So just know I got it for a good price, and after I fix the rust, I'm still have $1,500 to close to maybe $1,500 to $1,800 worth of profit. Move it really quick, buy some more stuff, make some money with the semi. Sell some other stuff, and we're gonna keep it going from there. Like I said, appreciate y'all. Let me know in the comment section below what y'all sell it for. I'm out. Peace.